guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, then hello, welcome. I missed you guys. So for today's video, I'm not even too sure what I'm going to be doing. I'm thinking I'm going to do a smoky eye, but that might change. I'm not too sure. We will see. So everything that we're going to be doing today is pretty much going to be my basic routine. The only thing different will be whatever is done on my lids. Other than that, this is what I do every day whenever I do my makeup. It's pretty simple, 1, 2, 3, quick. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. And before we get started, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button so you guys can get notified anytime I post a video, because you guys know I'm coming with the videos. As you can see, I am back. So enough talking, let's get into the video. I'm gonna prime my face. I actually really do not prime my face every day. I really don't. But we're gonna be using this e.l.f. Puff Puff Primer. So we're gonna go ahead and comb the brows out. My brows are really not groomed. I'm gonna try to groom them a little bit with my tweezers right now. Like, if you really want around your brows to look real smooth and nice, like, your brows have to be groomed. Unwanted hair has to be cut and plucked and removed. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown. I think this is a lip liner. The information rubbed off. I believe it's a lip liner, but it's in dark brown. I usually just get whatever's at the beauty supply store, whatever they usually have in the front by the counter. I just ask them, oh, let me get the dark brown. And I use that on my brows. So this is dark brown, and this is what I've been using for my brows. And then we're gonna clean up the brows. On a day-to-day basis, I usually do not clean up my brows. When I do the pencil, I usually do the pencil like super neat, so it's not necessary. But today I actually did it like a little bit messy just because I knew I was gonna be cleaning it up. So we're gonna clean it up with the concealer, and our concealer today is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch. I'm just gonna clean up the bottom with this concealer. The top will be cleaned up with our foundation. I'm gonna take my current foundation, which is my Too Faced foundation, and this is in the color Chai, and I'm gonna put some of this on my hand to use for my brows. I know a lot of these products in this video will kind of be repeated from my last makeup video, but I promise I will try to change it up for the next video. This video is more so like about the look for me, opposed to like giving you guys some new products. I'm gonna go ahead and actually add some concealer to my lids since we're working with black today. For this eye look, I'm actually gonna use my James Charles palette. We're gonna basically go into the black, and we have the black here. We're gonna go into the black. We're gonna go into this brown here. Yeah, this brown here. It's a little darker. And this like burgundy. Actually no, this one down here. Yeah, we're gonna go into this like a dark purple pink. Yeah, so pretty much these three colors right here. First, gonna pick up the brown and go in with that more closer to the brow area. Now we're gonna go and pick up the dark purple pink color. Now we're gonna go in with the black. So now I'm gonna apply my lashes, and the lashes that I like to use are these lashes. I get them from my beauty supply store. They're the I Envy lashes in what's the name? The number is 7. It's the KMEI07. I love these lashes, and they really go well with my eyes. I feel like it's really important to figure out what type of lashes and what style of lashes works for your eyes. Like these specifically works for my eyes. So it's very important to really pay attention to that and find the ones that work for your eye and really flatter your eyes. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to apply my foundation. Once again, this is the Too Faced foundation in Chai. I always start like in the center of my face and work my way out. And I really do not like putting too much makeup on my forehead. So I usually never add any more product and just use whatever's on the brush. Now we're going to go in with our concealer. Once again, the Too Faced concealer in Butterscotch. And I do not put any on my forehead. I just use whatever's left on the brush. And I like to let it sit for a minute to really like dry in. I could just fan it. Now we're gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder in Banana, and I'm gonna take a dry beauty blender and I'm gonna press this powder into my face. This has been my favorite thing to do now. So I no longer bake, I press it in to my skin. I keep pressing it until it just starts to like disappear.
Purchase your track today.
Once I finish doing the setting powder, I go into my bronzer. This is my Morphe Glamabronze in the color Leader. I just love this product. Like, I don't think I'll ever use anything else. Love it. After we apply that, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in Dark Deep. Now I'm gonna spray my face before I apply my illuminator. This is my Black Radiance Baked Bronzer in Beautiful. You guys see that glow? I just use my finger to apply it to my brow bone.
Purchase your track today.
So for the lips, I'm just gonna line my lips with my dark brown liner. So I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Melted Matte. This is called Sellout. This color is really pretty. Really, really pretty. Peachy. I'm gonna add some more liner to kind of blend that out. And I'm gonna go in with some gloss on that. And this is my Cherry Gloss. Just regular beauty supply store gloss, nothing too fancy. Now I'm gonna pull out my hair. Gonna separate these. I'm just separating them in twos. So for the details on the ponytail, this ponytail is by Sensational. This is their Curls, Kinks and Company collection, and this is called Rainmaker. This is how it looks. That is what this ponytail is. Super pretty, fluffy, natural looking. I love it. It's super cute. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys love this look. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Let me know what look you guys want to see next. Should I do something more simple, something more glam, like glitter or something? Let me know what you guys want to see. But I love it. I think it's so cute. I think it's so perfect for like a night out or something. It's just so pretty. I love it. Very glowy. It looks really cute with the hairstyle. So I'm happy. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And also be sure to turn on your post notifications to know when I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.